Hello everybody, I'm just making a quick giveaway video. We got 3 comments and I'm going to start the random picker. So J M dash or hyphen I think W is the winner. I just want to click that and see what happens. No, I don't like that. Okay. So I will be adding this to YouTube as the winner of my children's illustrations, or floral children's illustrations for my February video, giveaway video, and hopefully JMW will message me or email me in the email that is down below, and I'll email him back the files for this, or for the winner. So enjoy the rest of your day or night. Bye.